The Mini Cooper key fob battery replacement is a simple DIY task. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a specialized key fob opening tool. Locate the seam on the back of the fob. Carefully insert the screwdriver into the notch and gently twist to separate the two halves of the case. Once open, take note of the battery orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct replacement. Remove the old CR2032 coin cell battery. Be careful not to damage the circuit board while removing the battery. CR2032 batteries typically last 2 to 3 years. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center, as lithium batteries are hazardous waste. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Ensure the battery is securely in place. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob case back together. Make sure the case is fully closed to protect the internal components. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to lock or unlock the doors or activate the panic alarm. If the fob doesn't work, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. If problems persist, consult your Mini owner's manual for reset procedures or consider contacting a Mini service center. Remember that while many newer Minis offer digital key options, the physical fob remains a reliable backup.